In this guide, I'm going to show you how to do barrel roll skill here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by far the easiest method to go ahead and do this is by starting a custom event with a ramp already placed. You can create one for yourself or you can use the one that I'm going to use here in this video. So go ahead and hit pause. Once you're here, go over to Creative Hub and go into the Event Lab. From here, just select Play Event, and then you're going to want to search and then go down to the share code option right here, select it. And you're going to want to type in the following code. Type in 797249 and then 142. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this after you hit confirm. Shout out to Bodon Smolin for making this. But essentially, open this up, play it as a solo race, and then choose whatever car is recommended for you. It doesn't necessarily matter. You could do whatever one you're currently, using. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is start the race. And there's a specific way you need to do this. As you can see, the ramp is kind of placed right there right now. And it kind of even gives you arrows to show you exactly what you need to do. You essentially need to drive and just be a little off-centered, just like this. And of course, your car will do that barrel roll just like that, and you will be good to go. That wasn't perfect. Obviously, we're going to want to go ahead and do that one more time. But that is the basis of it. Sometimes even with the landing being a little messy, it can be, considered a perfect barrel roll and will count for that skill for you. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.